you can see, the landing gear is completely seized. The desert environment has taken its toll on the hubs and the rubber.
Be careful around the propeller. Use the brushes near the fabric.
Got it. Should I start here?
As you can see, the corrosion on the strut assembly here is significant. We're looking at severe pitting around these bolts.
Okay, pull it through the center section.
Got it. Watch the gear leg.
Watch the tail, watch the tail. How's the tension on that bolt?
Feels good. We're secure.
Just a little higher off the trailer.
Copy that. Moving left now. Watch the wingtip.
That carburetor is heavily oxidized. We're gonna have to replace this section.
We need a full assessment of the upper wing structure before we disassemble. The fabric here is completely shot. I've made a note. Let's focus on the engine mount bolts first.
The fuselage looks good. We can start on the lower wing struts.
Agreed. Let's document the attachment points first.
The Tiger Moth's wooden frame is surprisingly intact, considering 50 years in the elements. Recovery is delicate work.
Slowly up, watch the wingtip. It's clear, bring it over the stand now. Okay, easy now, watch your feet.
Almost there.
All right, lift it up steady. Watch your side, clear on the left. Keep it coming, easy now.
Easy now, clear the top rack.
Okay, bring it back slowly. There it is.
Bring it down just a few more inches. Copy that.
Coming down.
Okay, we're clear. Set it down. See the scoring here on the journals. We'll definitely need to polish this before reassembly.
Okay, one more click on this one.
Got it, they are all to specification now.
She's absolutely perfect. Ready for the reinstall?
What about the oil pressure line right here?
All set, let's get her mounted. There it is, right on the cluster weld.
Got it, got it.
Looks like a clean hairline.
Inspection complete. The spars are sound, no dry rot detected.
Make sure you follow the grain right here. We don't want any wrinkles when we apply the dope.
Okay, I see it now.
That looks perfect.
Check the alignment.
Within tolerance. The reinforcement held up well.
A little lower on the left side.
Okay, steady now. Looks aligned.
All right, drop it slowly.
Hold it steady. Watch the clearance on the right side. Clear, right. Bringing it down slowly now. Perfect. Get the pins in.
Lower it steady, watch the clearance.
Looks good up here.
All right, she's seated. Pass me the bolt.
That's the last bolt for the mount.
Reaching torque now.
Good click, looks solid. That's showing green, final click. All right, verified. Secure the pin.
All right, applying the final torque now.
Reading green across the board.
Perfect.
Hub is secured.
All right, try the front bolt now.
Looks aligned, it's threading smoothly.
Tap it in, make sure it's secure.